What is up, BMS crew? Behind me I have our 2024 Chevy Silverado equipped with a 2.7 liter 4-banger engine. Today I'm going to be making and installing our brand new flex fuel kit so we can put it on the car, see our ethanol content. Once we do that, I'll throw it on the dyno, see what we can do on pump gas, throw in some E85 so we can raise some ethanol content, get some higher octane in there, turn up some more boost, and extract more power. That's the best solution and the best way to do it for these cars. It loves ethanol. Let's get to work. Flex fuel kit is done. Nice PMP connector to get our power ground. Our signal is going straight to the JB4. And a nice, simple, easy setup. That's fully reversible. It's on pump gas right now. Let's connect and read our ethanol content. Sweet. E11. We're going to install the JB4 on it, strap it on the dyno, and see what gains we can make. This has been in the fleet for a couple months now. We use it to tow our race cars and do some parts runs with it. It's not that great at towing, so hopefully when we put the JB4 on it, it'll be easier to tow. I've previously dynoed a Chevy Silverado before, and we have trouble dynoing it because you can't really have it stay in gear. It's not like a sports car where you can shove it in manual mode, floor it right off the get-go. So it's a little tricky when dyno tuning this car. So the graphs and the torque numbers are not going to be exact. We're going to be making a lot more torque than what's actually on the dyno. So basically the way I have to do it is ease into it, and then around 4,500 I get to floor it so it won't kick down into gear. If there's any tricks that anybody knows how to make it stay in gear, hit us up so we can re-dyno it and get some final numbers. First thing we're going to do when we strap it down, we're going to do 91 tuning, and then we'll splash some E85 in there since we're going to have the ethanol content analyzer on it so we can see our exact reading, turn up the maps, and extract more power. We'll raise the octane and have some E85 in the tank. Let's get going. I'm going to start installing the JB4 and show you guys how easy it is. Once we do that, I'm going to do some runs on map 0 so we can get some baseline dyno numbers as well as data so I know what I'm working with when it's stock and before we start turning it up. There are 3 JB4 connection points. The JB4 connection points are right here. T-map sensor right on the intake manifold, map sensor on the intake, and the last hard to reach one is down here. It's actually easy once you remove this cover. We'll remove it, we'll get to the intercooler sensor. We also have T-map extensions which I'll show later that'll come up here, so if you need to easily remove or install the JB4 back on, the connection points will be right here instead of down there, so you do not have to remove this whole thing. JB4 is installed. The OBD runs through the firewall down there. Once you install the extensions, you don't have to go down here ever again. They'll just come up here for a quick and easy install. Let's get the car on the dyno now. Got the car strapped down on the dyno. Let's do some baseline runs and see what it makes. And then we'll turn it up to map 1 and see what we can get on 91. Okay, got a couple map 0 baseline pulls, which is stock. This is what I was talking about earlier in the graph, how I can't really floor it until around, say, yeah, 4,500. This is wide open throttle. This is me pedaling in, trying to get the smoothest graph that I can. We're gonna go with this one as our baseline because it was the smoothest line and graph that I got. Map 2 run. It's going to be a little difficult for me to hold this, but I just want to show the pedal input based on the run so you guys can see how I'm babying it in until basically 4,500 where I'll be hitting it full throttle. We just finished 91 tuning. You can see E85 is at 10, pump gas. Stock is the red graph, blue is 91 octane, map 2. I'm gonna add some E85, take it up to E20, which is equivalent of 93 octane. We just finished map 3 dyno tuning with ethanol at E20. Basically 93 octane. Red graph is stock, map 0, 91 octane. The blue graph is map 2, 91 octane. Map 3 is the green one at E20, 93 equivalent octane.